First, a poem must be magical by Otever Villa. First, a poem must be magical, then musical as a seagull. It must be bright as moving and hold secret birds flowering. It must be slender as a bell, and it must hold fire as well. And it must have the wisdom of both, and it must kneel like a rose. It must be able to hear the luminance of dove and deer. It must be able to hide what it seeks like a bride. And overall, I would like to hover God smiling from foam to cover.